Welcome to Conformio. Conformio is software that enables you to speed up compliance with ISO 27001 by eliminating a lot of manual work. This video will show you the most important features of Conformio and what steps you need to take. By the way, for each of the features presented in this video, you'll also see other videos that provide more details. They will be displayed once you access a particular feature for the first time. To access the main features of Conformio, you can use the main menu here in the left-hand sidebar. Documents give you access to all the documentation for your project. Registers and modules give you access to the most important records you need for managing security. The reporting dashboard gives you an overview of the most important KPIs about your ISO 27001 project. The responsibility matrix defines exactly who needs to do what in your company. My Work gives you an overview of your tasks for this project, while Company Settings gives you access to the initial wizard you went through when you first entered Conformio, as well as user management and subscription. Let's see what each of these features does. When you click Documents, you will see all the documentation that was created during the ISO 27001 project. These can be documents you have created through document wizards, documents you uploaded directly to Conformio, or documents that were created automatically by Conformio, like, for example, the Risk Assessment Report. You can use Conformio to protect certain documents from other users through the Private Folder feature. If you have chosen to sync your documents with a file hosting service like Dropbox, you will see your ISO 27001 documents there as well. If you have to fill out an ISO 27001 policy or procedure as part of the implementation of a step, you will have access to a document wizard that will help you create the document much more quickly by providing you tips on what needs to be filled out. When you click the Registers and Modules section, you will see several modules that help you manage the most important records for ISO 27001, including the Risk Register, Statement of Applicability, Internal Audit, non-conformities, and others. The reporting dashboard gives you information about your project status, the level of your compliance, and also how well your security is doing. These KPIs are crucial for you to know how your ISO 27001 project is progressing. The responsibility matrix provides you an overview of who needs to do which task, when, and where. It is very useful to find out if everyone on the project is up to date with his or her tasks. My Work is a detailed list of all your tasks. You can easily see which tasks are pending and which are overdue. You should regularly check My Work to make sure you didn't miss anything, and you can also use it to check the status of all the tasks you've given to other people. By clicking your name, you'll open a menu where you can edit your profile, edit notification settings and your password, and access the help articles.